In this video, I'll show you how to add a discount code to your quiz created with the RevenueHunt app. First, go to Shopify, Discounts, and create a new discount if you don't already have one. It can be any type of discount. For this example, I'll create a code called Quiz123 that gives 20% off selected products from my catalog. Once you've set up the discount, click Save and copy the discount code. Next, go back to the RevenueHunt Quizzes app and open your quiz. Click Customize, go to the Results page, and open the page settings. Scroll down until you find the discount code section, then paste in the code you created in Shopify. Save your changes. From now on, that discount code will automatically apply at checkout for the products you linked it to in Shopify. You can also display the discount code as text directly on the results page. For example, you can add a text block that shows the code and explains the offer so users can copy and paste it during checkout. Keep in mind, the discount code won't change product prices on the results page itself. The discounted price will only appear once the user applies the code at checkout. Let's test it. I'll take a sample quiz, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. As you can see, the discount code Quiz123 has already been applied to the cart, and the discount is active on the product I set up earlier. And that's it. That's how you add a discount code to your RevenueHunt quiz. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.